Hi, my name is Kayla Denny, and today I will be explaining to you how the kidney works and the kidney dialysis. Cell environments, fresh water, it tells how certain cells will react in certain environments. The cell membrane controls what comes in and out. It needs to allow some materials, but not all, to pass through the cell membrane. Semi-permeable, only some materials can get in or out. Only fats and oils can pass directly through. Cell membrane channels, protein channels, allow substances in and out. Protein, both like water and like lipids, biolipid membrane, protein channel in biolipid membrane. Diffusion types. We have simple diffusion, move from high to low, requires no energy needed, it's a passive transport. Facilitated diffusion, move from high to low through a protein channel. Then we have osmosis. Osmosis deals with water moving across the cell membrane. It's the diffusion of water. After transport, cells may need molecules to move. The active transport acts as a pump from low to high using energy. Protein pump requires energy. Basically, it pumps the things it doesn't need to the protein pump. Here we have the glomeruli in the blood plasma cells. The plus symbols is the blood cells, and the stars are the kidney cells. It is required no energy needed, and it's balancing out. Then at the bottom here, we have the active transport. It takes out the kidney cells and balances it, and this is balance. The kidneys. The kidneys are a pair of vital organs that perform many functions to keep the blood clean and chemically balanced. The kidneys are located in the back of the abdomen. They are the size of a fist. The renal function is same thing as the kidney function. Renal vein, impure blood from the kidney. The renal cortex is where several of the tubules merge and form connecting ducts. The uteri carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. The renal artery supplies blood to the kidney. There are 4 processes involved in forming urine: glomerular filtration, reabsorption, and secretion and excretion. The glomerular filtration involves ultrafiltration of plasma of the glomerulus. Reabsorption involves transport of substances out of the tubular urine. Secretion continues to secrete additional substances into the tubular fluids. Excretion eliminates the urine. Next, we have the nephron. Each kidney inside the human body contains about 1 million nephrons. These nephrons make the changes to the blood composition. The Bowman's capsule. It compasses the glomerulus and draws filtration from the blood. The glomerulus, a ball of caterpillars that secrete filtration into the Bowman's capsule. Efferent, the artery that subdivides into the caterpillars that composes the glomerulus. What happens when it can't function normally? The kidney fails. Then you are put on dialysis or a kidney transplant, and it takes several months or years for that to happen. Dialysis is filtration of the blood to get rid of harmful wastes, extra salt, etc. There are 2 types of dialysis: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. We're just going to call it pre for the prefix. Hemodialysis is an artificial kidney used to remove waste and extra chemicals and fluids from your blood. They will place a tube in a large vein in your neck, and it's going to filter that way. The pre-dialysis cleans inside your body. The doctor will put a tube in your abdomen. meaning that it's in your stomach, so you can have the access point. We did a lab on how to do kidney dialysis. And what we did was, we had a bag, we put air in it, and we put sodium chloride and starch inside the bag. After we did that, we took a beaker, we filled it up with water, we put 5 drops of iodine inside the beaker. We placed the bag inside the beaker for 30 minutes. After we placed the bag inside the beaker for 30 minutes, we watched it change the color from the water. The iodine went inside the cell, and sodium chloride came outside the cell and went inside the water. So now we know that's what happens when the blood filters inside the kidney and it comes out. All the harmful, nasty stuff comes out and good stuff comes in. The side effects from kidney dialysis. You have fatigue, weight gain, itchy skin, hernia, muscle cramps. And that ends my kidney dialysis and kidney function video, and these are my sources.